In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Google Drive, a straightforward process that will help you keep your important documents accessible offline. Whether you need a single file, multiple files, or even an entire folder, we'll walk through each way you can download content from your Google Drive effectively and efficiently. To begin, let's head over to Google Drive. You simply need to open your favorite web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once in your Google Drive, you're ready to start downloading your desired files. First, if you're interested in downloading a single file, locate the file you need and give it a quick right click. When the menu appears, simply select the download option. This action will prompt the file to save onto your device, allowing you immediate access even without an internet connection. Now suppose there are multiple files you'd like to download all at once. The process is just as easy. Hold down the Control key if you're on a Windows machine or the CMD key on a Mac. While holding this key, click each file you want to include in your download batch. Once you have all the files you need selected, right-click on any of the highlighted files and choose Download. This method saves time and effort, especially when dealing with numerous documents. Sometimes you may need an entire folder downloaded. Don't worry, that's possible too. Simply find the folder you'd like to save and right-click on it. In the menu that appears, click Download. Google Drive will take care of the rest by compressing the folder into a zip file before downloading, ensuring everything remains neatly organized until you decide to unzip it on your computer. But what if you want to download everything in your Google Drive? That's where Google Takeout comes into play. Head over to takeout.google.com. Here you have the power to download all your data associated with your Google account, including your Drive files. To proceed, click Deselect All initially to clear out any pre-checked services. Then scroll down to find the Google Drive option and check it. This ensures only your Drive files are included in this export. Once you've done this, click on Next Step to proceed. Now you'll need to choose how you'd like to receive your data. You can opt for a download link sent to your email, among other options. Additionally, you have the flexibility to choose your preferred file type and size, such as a zip file with various size limits like 2GB or 4GB, according to your needs. Finally, when you're satisfied with your choices, click Create Export. Google will then prepare your files for download, and this process may take some time to complete. However, once ready, your entire Google Drive data will be available for you to download and access as you see fit. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to downloading files from Google Drive. Remember, whether it's one file or your entire drive, each step ensures you can always have access to the information you need right at your fingertips.